Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a playlist in foobar2000 on your Windows PC or laptop. Creating playlists is a great way to organize your favorite songs and play them whenever you want. Let's get started. First, open foobar2000 on your computer. Once the program opens, make sure you already have some music added to the library or current playlist. If not, click File, then choose Add Files or Add Folder and import your music. Now, to create a new playlist, click the File menu at the top and select New Playlist. A new playlist tab will appear. You can right-click the playlist tab and choose Rename Playlist to give it a custom name, such as Favorites, Workout Mix, or Relaxing Music. Next, select the songs you want to add to the playlist. You can hold the Control key to select multiple songs at once. Right-click the selected songs, choose Send to, and then select your newly created playlist. You can also drag and drop songs directly into the playlist. Click on the Playlist tab anytime to view or play the songs you've added. To rearrange the song order, simply drag and drop the tracks into your preferred position. If you want to remove a song from the playlist, right-click the song and choose Remove from Playlist. This only removes it from the playlist and does not delete the actual music file from your computer. Your playlist will remain available the next time you open foobar2000, making it easy to access your favorite music anytime. And that's how you create a playlist in foobar2000 on your Windows PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.